Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to export project data to PDF reports on ASANA, a critical skill for managing and reporting your project progress. So let's get started. First, open up your ASANA and navigate to the project you want to export. This is where all of your project's information is housed, and accessing it is the first step in exporting your data. Next up, find the Export Print button on the top bar. It's located on the right side and looks like a small arrow pointing down. The reason we do this is to access the export options and select the format we need, which in this case is PDF. Once you've clicked on Export Print, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Print as your export option. You might wonder why we're choosing Print when we want to export to a PDF file. Well, this helps us because it allows us to create a print preview of the project data, which we can then save as a PDF document. Now that we've done that, a new tab will open in your browser with a print preview of your project. You will see all your tasks, subtasks, and other project data neatly organized. This is an important step because it gives you an overview of what your PDF report will look like. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything you need is included. At this point, you're almost done. Go to your browser's print settings. Typically, you can find them by clicking on the three dots or lines in the top right corner of your browser and selecting Print. But remember, instead of printing, we're saving the preview as a PDF. So in the Destination field, change the option from your printer to Save as PDF. This step is crucial because it allows us to convert the print preview into a digital PDF file. Once you've done that, hit the Save button, choose where you want to save the file, and voila! Your ASANA project data is now a PDF report. And there you have it, a simple way to export your project data to a PDF report on ASANA. Now, why does this matter? Well, creating PDF reports of your project data is essential for sharing insights, progress, and next steps with your team or stakeholders in a format that's easy to read and distribute. And that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, with ASANA, managing and reporting your projects is just a few clicks away. Thanks for tuning in.